What's up YouTube, Recent Dare here, about to teach you how to remove background noise in your Audacity recording. You want to open up Audacity, then when you record you want to have a 10-second silence, and let's do this. Okay, that's pretty good. And once you do that, you highlight it, go to effect, noise removal, get noise profile. Then you want to highlight the whole thing, noise removal, hit OK. Then you should have no background noise. And if you want this part cut out, all you have to do is highlight that and hit backspace. Thanks for watching.
I am not a whore. 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 I am not a whore.
But I like to do it.